Alright guys, so we've done a battery relocate here. As you can see, I've spliced in, so this is all battery terminals that went into the battery. So I've hooked that up to a wire for the relocate, and I've run that through here. This is on a right-hand drive model. Yeah, so I got that, ran that through there, out here, and a lot of guys, what they do is they get this stock harness and they chuck it up here, run it in there, but I've still got stock fenders, so don't know whether that's going to fit or not. So yeah, I might do that at a later date. That's for lowering a car, but I still got quite a bit of room, so don't need to do that yet. But anyway, so that's where you could do that, to move that up if you wanted to. But for the relocate, it's just like this. Zip tied it in there, and it was rubbing a little bit here, I could feel, so I've just cut a bit of old timing belt, chuck that there. That should stop it from rubbing a little bit, and sent it through the factory grommet, and just cut, probably could have ran it through there actually, didn't see that, but yeah, so you just straight through there. I drilled a little bit and got through there, and that's come down through up there, so I've just ran it across and through here. I'm going to put a master cutoff switch here as well, so it'll, when I have all my switches and things, there'll be a master cutoff switch there, so I can cut that off. So I've got a little bit of slack in the wire there to run that up and run that, and I've run that across there through the factory hole there, run it through there, and out the back there, and then all the way up here through that hole, up through there, and haven't finished it yet, but it'll be going into circuit breaker there. Just run 150 amps, that should be enough, and so I'll run it into there and then straight into the battery. And then we got negative terminal here, just resting. And yeah, so that's how you can relocate the battery. Pretty simple. So I've already taken a couple off, but take front bumper off. It's got 5 little nuts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 there. And obviously the 5 fender ones on either side. So yeah, to take the front fender off, so far you take 5 nuts out of here. Those 2 I don't know. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. So I'll get those off. So yeah, so as well as the 5 that were here, there's another 2. There's 1 there. At the bottom there, and then there's 1 up here that you can get from inside there. So yeah, then we got 4 at the top there. 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, 3. Must have been 1 missing there. Yeah. So just the 1, 2, 3, 4, if that was 1. Yeah. And then the last one is just here. That one there. So yeah, for fenders, if it's stock and hasn't been in a crash or something, it'll still have these stupid little, don't know, bracket holders for the lights, I guess, to take the fender off, and you can't get to this without the bumper off, or if you can somehow shimmy in a spanner or something, but it's just a 10mm socket to get that off, and your Fender's pretty much free. So yeah, fully sick.